Today I will share with you top 5 best camcorders review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. 4K YouTube Vlog Camcorder Digital Video Camera. The 4K YouTube Vlog Camcorder redefines content creation with its stunning 60 fps UHD digital video capabilities. Ideal for live streaming and webcam use, this versatile camcorder features a built-in fill light, ensuring impeccable lighting for your videos. The 4.0-inch rotating touchscreen enhances control and framing, while the 18x zoom lets you get up close to the action. With 24 million pixels and electronic image stabilization, your footage remains crisp and steady. This portable 4K camcorder is the ultimate choice for high-definition content, providing exceptional quality and ease of use. Wi-Fi function. Note, this Wi-Fi is only the signal between camera and smartphone, not internet Wi-Fi. By downloading our app and connecting your phone with camera, you can control the camera wirelessly for shooting. With hot shoe on the handle. Compatible with external microphone/fill light/flashlight. Number 2. KOMERY 4K Camcorder Video Web Camera. Elevate your content creation with the KOMERY 4K Camcorder, your versatile companion for YouTube, web streaming, and more. With a remarkable 56MP sensor and night vision capabilities, this camcorder ensures exceptional video quality in all lighting conditions. Stay connected with Wi-Fi and easily output to HDMI, though key operation is disabled. Capture without limits with recording while charging, and achieve smooth, shake-free footage with the anti-shake function. Choose from continuous shooting modes, enable face recognition, and time your selfies perfectly. Plus, never miss a moment with loop photography options. Unleash your creativity with KOMERY. Number 3. Camcorder 4K Ultra HD 64MP Streaming Camera. Elevate your content creation with the CMOS 1300 YouTube camcorder, an exceptional 4K Ultra HD camera tailored for TikTok and live broadcasts. Boasting a 64MP CMOS sensor and a 4.0-inch 270-degree touchscreen, it offers superb image quality and intuitive control. Capture dynamic content with slow motion, loop photography, and time-lapse recording, and enjoy autofocus, continuous shoot, and pause functions. The built-in fill light ensures stunning results in low light, while the 2.4G remote offers full-angle control up to 65 feet away. With clear HDMI output, your videos will shine, making your content truly stand out. Number 4. 4K Ultra HD Camera YouTube Camcorders. Discover the original RX200 camcorder, a powerful 4K Ultra HD camera designed for YouTube enthusiasts and content creators. With a remarkable 64MP resolution, this camcorder captures breathtaking videos and photos. The 4.0-inch touchscreen simplifies operation, while MP4 and MP3 file support ensures seamless media recording and playback. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi, and easily expand storage with SD cards. Weighing over 1001 G, it exudes durability and quality. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or an aspiring filmmaker, the RX200 empowers you to create high-quality content with ease, all at your fingertips. Number 5. Body Camera Night Vision Video Camcorder. Introducing the BOBLOV HD66-02 Mini Camcorder, your reliable partner in security and law enforcement. With its built-in 32GB memory and SD card support, it's ready for action. Featuring a high-quality CMOS sensor, this camera delivers stunning 1080p Full HD video, even in low-light conditions thanks to its night vision capabilities. The 1950 mAh battery ensures extended usage. Trust in the BOBLOV brand for top-notch security and police body camera technology. Capture every detail and stay prepared with the HD66-02 mini camcorder. Thanks for watching.